Here's our vision, future city concept. We Black Future Start from Startup Terrace. So Startup Terrace is in Linko district, and it is in the middle place between Taipei City Center and the International Airport. And also there are 8 industrial parks nearby. So our space is over 48,000 meters squares, and including 3 buildings and 1 expo area. And here's our facility on the left side, and you can see our office and the meeting room. And also we have a good event space. And also there are innovation store at ground floor. And at the right-hand side, we offer studio, gym, meditation room, and prayer room. So to attract startup, we have 4 benefits we offer. The first one, high-quality working space, and the second one, customized service. And we have a special counter to help with business registration and visa application. And also, we offer different kind of funding to our startup and the accelerator.
So the soft landing program is like a brand new program we just launched in this month. So it's like invite only and free of charge program, which to the startups recommended by our partners. So to Mr. Ravi or to any other partners here in the webinar who is who has the contact of the startup from your country who are interested into coming in Taiwan, you can just email to us or write message to us for more information about the soft landing program.
So I will address quickly in regards to hackathon. So what InnoVEX does in regards to smaller events such as hackathon is that we created a smaller business matchmaking setup. So what it is that every year we have InnoVEX, but this is a huge project, huge event. It takes us 10 months to organize. So what we do in between these 11 months outside of InnoVEX is that we provide themed business matchmaking events under specific topics that matches VCs, startups, corporations, and other related industries. So that is what we're trying to do. So the difference between us and, the mini saloon with hackathon is that we're not trying to solve anything. We're trying to pick a topic that is suitable for VCs and startups and corporations to engage as a business. So this is the approach that we're trying to tackle. So far it works pretty well. It brought lots of awareness to InnoVEX, to startups and to investors, and also other larger corporations under very specific themes. So this could be an idea for anybody who is trying to think of different approaches to stimulate business activities via hackathon. This could be an alternative method. Coming back to InnoVEX. So InnoVEX is a B2B event for startups, for tech startups to be very specific. So what makes InnoVEX very special is that it cooperates with Computex. So the 2 events combined, you have a very matured ICT industry production chain at Computex. But then on the other hand, you have a very dedicated tech startup to conduct business matchmaking. So this is, 2020 would have been our 5th year. Each year we have just shy of 500 startups. 60% is from Taiwan, 40% coming from all over the world. We have a large participation from the Asia Pacific, and of course from Europe and from the US, definitely. So the event is actually built in the sphere of the need of a startup. So what do they need? They need investments, they need marketing, they need partnerships with different ICT corporate, they need other industries to have a horizontal business approach for their solutions and for their innovation. So this is what InnoVEX is for. So at InnoVEX, you will find exhibitions, you will find forums, keynotes. You will also find pitch contests with actual cash prizes.
So we are MightyNet. We have the research and design and manufacturing and marketing. So they are our team. So like including the marketing strategy, R&D, and we can actually solve the problem from the prototyping to 100 pieces. So we can expect the process from the design to the mass production and the final logistics and the marketing. That's our goal. So it actually have many experience, and is the base we are in Tsinghua University, and it's the office in Linko. And we also have the co-working space located in Jasco, which is the biggest Singapore co-working space. It's our South Bay base in the South Park.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot of the experience. I think I will send the company profile from the messages, so people can read and download all the detail.
So we believe that the trust is the way to go achieve the innovation. So actually, we started from 1972. It's pretty old. We're trying to combine successful entrepreneurs and government and startups together, and we support them since like 1972. And so I will go very quickly to show a sample at how we did it and how the process is. And so at the very beginning, we were started from 1972. It was a national award that we awarded 10. We select 10 models of entrepreneurs every year, and we gather them together to build an association. That's us, and they hire people like us as agencies. We help entrepreneurs to empowerment them. Like we give them courses. We have around 1,000 courses every year to empower startups and entrepreneurs. And because we are a government agency too, so most of like programs about from government supporting SMEs or startups are like we help the government to push these kinds of projects, especially for start ecosystem building. So now we help the government to support the Taiwan Startup Terrace now, like we mentioned before. So now we're trying to combine, because we are pretty familiar with this successful entrepreneurs, so we want to combine them to our startups together to make this SMEs, they can do digital transformation. This is the experience we are doing inside of the Startup Terrace.